Bernardo Martinez. Tell Cade that I'm out.
I'm here, Captain, but he's nowhere to be found.
He should never have been put in that position.
He knew the risk to save you. Well, it looks like his monitor is on.
What's plain?
Hey, sweetie. Oh my gosh, your graduation was such a thrill. You know, your father's passed out upstairs. Oh my gosh. I'm really, really happy that we finally got some great quality time in to be together as a family. I am so very proud of you. I know that you are visiting us next month, but I just want you to know I don't want anything to come between us ever again. You'll always be my little boy. I love you, sweetie. Mwah.
It's a video of his mother. And there's a necklace here.
What type of necklace?
It's the same one his mother has. And there appears to be a message here.
What's the message say?
It's addressed to you. And it says, "You don't know my life. Stay out of it."